Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Netflix shows or movies from your watch history. So let's say if you don't want to someone to not find out you're watching something on Netflix and you want to remove a certain movie's title or shows, this is how you are going to do it. So you can open your Netflix on TV or mobile or a browser like this, and then you can just go to your account. So click on this account at the top right corner, then you can just scroll down until you find these edit settings. So click on the edit settings and scroll down again until you find this viewing activity. So the viewing activity here can manage a viewing history and ratings. So you can click on this and you can see these are the list of shows or movies that I've recently watched. And let's say I want to remove this a certain movie from my list in here, so I cannot remove it actually, but I can hide it. So just find the title that you want to remove, for example this one, and then you'll see this icons right here. So you can just click on this to hide from the viewing history, and just like that it will disappear. But within 24 hours the title will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title you have watched, and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you unless you watch it again. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.